Today, I'll show you how to connect a room thermostat to a Ferroli wall-mounted thermo fireplace that also heats radiators. This setup allows better temperature control, improving comfort and energy efficiency. Let's get started. The Ferroli thermo fireplace comes with external connectors specifically designed for a room thermostat. These terminals allow the thermostat to control the heating by acting as a simple on-off switch. The thermostat I'm using is powered by 220 volts and has two control terminals labeled Open and Common. These will connect directly to the Ferroli thermostat inputs. First, turn off the power to the heating system for safety. Then, follow these steps. Power connection. Connect the thermostat's N, neutral, and L, live terminals to a 220-volt power source. 2. Control connection. Locate the external thermostat terminals on the Ferroli unit. Take two wires and connect Open and Common from the thermostat to these terminals. These act as a dry contact switch, signaling the fireplace to turn on or off based on room temperature. Once the wiring is complete, power on the system. Set the thermostat to the desired temperature. If your model supports programming or Wi-Fi control, configure it through the app for remote access.